morning, everybody. So today we're at the beautiful Devil's Den Spring located in Williston, Florida. Now this spring stays 72 degrees year-round, and in the winter months, steam comes up from the bottom and comes through the hole in the top, which gives it its name, Devil's Den. The spring is actually a prehistoric site where extinct animal fossils were found dating back 33 million years ago. So Williston, Florida is actually a pretty rural area. The next closest town is actually Gainesville, where we stayed at. So that would be a good place to stay. It's about a 30-minute drive, or they have camping on site, which you can bring your RV, pop a tent, or even stay in their lodging area. Their hours include Monday through Friday 9 to 5, and Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 8 to 5. Of course, you do have to have a reservation if you want to snorkel, but if you're scuba diving, you can just walk in and you'll have first priority into the spring. It is $15 to snorkel on weekdays and $22 on weekends. For scuba diving, it's $38, and you can rent equipment from the shop. If you want to just come, and if you have people in your party that don't want to swim around, it'll be $5 to just walk in and be on the site. Now, let's get on with the video. You ready?
Yep.
It's not that cold.
You ready?
We're gonna go?
You ready?
All right.
Hey everyone. So that was our first time scuba diving after getting certified, and it went really well. Only one bad thing happened was when we got out of the water, we noticed our GoPro was cracked.
Thankfully, we have the warranty,
Yes.
and we only have to pay $50 for
Hopefully.
a brand new
Fingers
GoPro
crossed.
Hero 8.
So hopefully that's going to be okay. But equipment-wise, we feel very comfortable. I think Kristen is going to go back to the dive shop when we get back, and she's going to maybe get a different size wetsuit. I think it was just a little bit bigger because her buoyancy, she was a little bit more buoyant than what she wanted to be. So we ended up.
I think it was flooding with water too much.
So I ended up at the end of the dive. I just wanted to check her weight, so I gave her my weight on my vest because I'm a little bit overweighted. And she did better, but overall, I feel very comfortable in the water. No problems with our gear. It was very, very fun though.
Yeah,
very dark.
Yeah, we definitely needed a dive light.
Yeah, I might honestly, if I would come back here again, which I probably would since we're in Florida. I mean, hopefully we come back here again. I would definitely bring 2 dive lights because the buddy had to swim with the person using the light, and once you get down to like a certain area, it was just like dark cave.
Yeah, we didn't want to go too.
We kept
the deepest we got was 30.
So we got about 30 feet down. We kept it a pretty easy flowing dive. We didn't go any cave systems. We basically did like 2 laps around, and then we got to the entrance of the 2 different cave systems, but we kept it pretty open caverns and stuff.
Yeah.
But I had a very fun time. I felt very safe, and so the training worked well.
So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified every time we do post videos every week. So thank you all so much. Bye.